Hello my Blender scientist, this is part 2 of product modeling. If you have not seen part 1, go and watch. Today I will texture an eye, so why are you fucking waiting for let's add texture in eye. You can see I'm not using GeoNode for eye texture. I just downloaded an image of the eye and simply added, and then I go in UV editing and I unwrapped UV to spear UV editing. It's because I don't want realism in eye, so that's why I'm using image not texture, and after adding image I'm playing with eye position. This model looking upside, so I'm trying to fix the eyeball position in upside. But here I'm facing some issue. By the way, it's normal things. Always remember when you create something, so problem come to you with ass. So don't be upset, just solve the problem and be the hero. Yeah, I solved it. Oh wait, some issue here. Okay, now you can see our model looking upside, which is good thing. It's look pretty much good. If you have not subscribed my channel, why are you fucking waiting for? Put your ass on subscribe button and hit like button by using your middle finger, and comment me what can I improve for you. Also go in my channel and watch my previous product modeling videos. I promise to you, you will enjoy my previous video. Okay, now time's to adding some shiningness in the eye. So for shiningness I will go in the shader editor, and decrease the value for the roughness. Exactly like you decrease value of your girlfriend in front of you. If you not so, comment me below. Goodbye, I will come with another video, so subscribe and I will tell you the best way of earning in freelance. Believe me, I have secret.